This is Arkneil Gaming, and finally we have completed Gaara's training event, daily training. So we already reached 3,000 points and we still have 9 days remaining on our event. 9 days and 18 hours. So good job to us. And now we have obtained the title Kage. Change.
I won't stop until they're all brought to justice.
Nah, I'm not gonna change my title. Which Kage level matatas ninja na? For sure. Nah, naman. That's it, guys. So what will happen if you complete it? You will get that achievement, and that's it. We no longer need to grind. But we still need these beads though. Anyways, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.